Hi guys, welcome to this video. Today we are going to solve question 4 of the 047822 February-March 2024 past paper. The question is, identify 3 data types used in programming. Although it's a very simple question, I recommend you to see the video for question 9 part C of the 2023 series. I'll give the link in the description of this video for your ease. There are many data types in programming, but main of those are integer to store whole numbers, real to store decimal numbers, char to store single character, alphanumeric and special characters, string or text to store multiple characters including alphanumeric and special characters, and boolean to store logical true or false. You can mention any of 3 in your answer. So this would be our answer. Great! The question is answered and we've obtained full marks. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for other questions in this paper. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have a nice day.